Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to enable Zendesk chat. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Zendesk website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, hover over to the top right corner and click on your profile. From here, select View Profile. Once you're on that page, you'll see the option Manage in Admin Center. Go ahead and click on that. Inside Admin Center, locate the Workspaces tab. Under this section, open Agent Workspace and verify that it's enabled. This is essential because it gives agents a unified view of customer interactions and allows them to deliver smooth, coordinated support. Once you've confirmed that the workspace is active, move on to enabling your live chat or messaging channels. Head to the Channels section within the Admin Center, where you'll find all the communication methods available for integration. Select Messaging and Social. From here, locate Messaging, as this is where the real transformation in customer interactions begins. Inside the messaging configuration, look for the section dedicated to the web widget, which powers the live chat experience on your website. Make sure that the live chat mode option within the web widget settings is toggled on. Activating this feature enables real-time assistance and personalized support, significantly enhancing customer satisfaction and speeding up resolution times. And that's it. So that is how you can enable Zendesk chat. So that's all for this video. Thanks.